We've, of course, wrapped up 18 equity trading areas, but what's happening with the commodities right now? Let's bring on board Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, to give us a glimpse of just that. Manisha, for equities at least, we seem to be waiting to see what Mario Draghi doles out later in the day, but what's happening on the commodities market?
Well, this asset class also is awaiting the ECB announcements today in the evening, and we have seen some bit of a gain come back ahead of that. The gold price is holding just $3 away from that 1700 mark, but it's not just the precious metal prices. If you look at the crude prices, it's nearly a one-week highs for that one as well. The US inventories are down to lowest in 5 months. That has been supportive, and so is the case with the base metal space as well, where copper prices are trading at a one-month highs, and this is ahead of the US jobs data as well as the ECB announcement today in the evening. Let's get in our guests then, and we are now joined by Vandana Bharti from SMC. She joins us in New Delhi live. Vandana, hi, welcome to the show. How are you looking at the crude prices? Because while we are away from 100, we have been away from 92 as well. So within this range, do you see further buying coming in?
Yeah, Manisha, right now I am very bullish, bullish on crude oil because the trend is very opposite right now. The more we are getting the negative news, we are expecting that at least the ECB will come with some positive movements, and we are waiting just for the bond buying announcements. So yes, before that market is looking good, and even in crude oil we have seen some positive movements because in past few trading days we have seen correction in the prices of crude oil because Iraq made a landfall, and yes, there was a news that now everything is settling up. So we can see an upside movement in crude oil prices, and in Indian market slowly it will move towards the level of again 5400 to 5410. So even current level is very good and lucrative for buy in crude oil prices for the target of 5400 here.
Vandana, what's your sense coming in for the base metal prices? Because nickel, aluminum, zinc, copper, all of them have seen higher highs in the recent few days.
Yeah, Manisha, we have already seen buying in gold and silver. Now it is a turn for this energy counter and base metals, and we are getting some positive indication from market that now central banks of China and ECB, they may come with some positive announcements, and because of that there was some positive movements in base metal counter. Yesterday we have seen that copper made a high of 443. In today's trading session it will try to reach that yesterday high, and I'm buying this commodity, and even current level is very good for buy in this commodity for the target of 443 to 445. Apart from this central bank's expected activities, we can go for that economic releases because today jobless claim is there, and we are expecting a positive number from this data, and if it happens then we may see further recovery in the prices of copper and other base metals.
All right, Vandana, I appreciate your time joining us. So that's the view coming in from SMC. Then buy calls coming in for crude and copper as well in the intraday market today. With that, it's back to you, Awan.
Okay, Manisha Gupta there with the latest commodity trading strategies. Many thanks for that, Manisha. Let's also give you the disclaimer from our end once again because it's mandatory. Remember that if you choose to take positions in any of the commodity or equity trading ideas that have been recommended on the show, you must consult your financial advisor. With that, time to thank our technical titans for joining in. Gentlemen, great as always to have you with us on the show. Thanks for being with us on Traders 20. Time for a quick break, but come right back because DNS and the stock game will be taking forth the action.